is our first bird. Hey, this is a parrot. Parrot. The parrot has rainbow feathers. He can talk. Hello, hello. Let's say it together. Parrot. Parrot. Now let's meet another bird. Wow, it's an owl. Owl. The owl is awake at night. She turns her head and says, hoo, hoo. Let's say it together. Owl. Owl. Who is the next bird? Look, this is an eagle. Eagle. The eagle is big and strong. He flies so high in the sky.